Hi everybody, Juliet here. I'm super excited. Today we're going to be opening up the next Eureka Crystal Beads Lite collection. So these collections, for those who do not know, these are not subscriptions. They are collections that you can purchase off the Eureka Crystal Beads website. They're already all put together. They include things like seed beads, they include findings, they include crystals, cabochons, all kinds of fun stuff. And they're all themed around whatever the theme is that month. And they come out with a full collection towards the beginning of the month, and then mid-month they come out with a light collection, which is a little bit cheaper, more pared down collection. But they're still really great value. Like, I'm always so impressed. Even the light collections have so much in them. It's crazy. So I'll put a link for the collection down below so you can go and check it out. And if you're looking at that, whatever collection you're looking at, if you scroll down, it lists every item that's in the collection. So maybe if you really like something that you see and you want to order that thing out of the collection, you can actually do it from within that page. You can just add it straight to your cart. So I love that feature. So good. This website is such a fun site to explore on. Okay, I'm going to open this envelope and we'll take a look. All right, so you and I will be looking at this for the first time together. I haven't peeked inside or anything yet. I want to really quickly just say, please do check the description for any discount codes and deals. I quite often don't get it until just before the launch. So I will put all the information for any discounts, bundles, in the description below, because I don't have it yet. I'm filming this a little bit early, okay? All right, so let's open this up. Thank you. It says, comes wrapped in tissue paper. And then you get a baggie with all of the items within, and turn it over. Here is our inspiration photo. So I think this is called the Bubblescence collection. So we get all kinds of kind of rainbow bubbles here. Very pretty colors. I love this teal color. I'm hoping we get some of that and some of this pink. Very, very pretty. Okay, so then if let me get this paper out of the way so I'm not rustling the whole time and you can't hear me. Okay. Then we can open this up and pull out our little list here. So this gives a little paragraph: a rainbow glints and shifts, then disappears, only to flash alive again. Air feels sparkling and iridescent. Pop blank. Oh, cute. Okay, that's cute. I'm looking forward to this. Okay. Yeah. Oh, Bubblescence Lite collection is what this is called. Bubblescence. And so here you will see we have a lot of items in this collection. We are getting some seed beads. We are getting some check glass beads. We are getting some Krakowski crystals. Quite a lot, it looks like. Different Krakowski crystals. We're getting some Chinese crystals. We're getting some Preciosa crystal bicones. And we are getting some findings as well. So I'm excited about this bit right here. It looks like we're getting some 8mm Chatons in different colors, 12mm and 16. Fun, fun, fun. Okay. So everything that is on the list has a number over to the side, and everything in your bag has a number. So you can match the item to the number, and it also very helpfully, aside from giving you a very good description of what it is, also gives you the SKU number. But like I said, you can just look at the actual collection on the website and everything is listed there as well. So super easy to know what you're looking at. And then once you have pulled out your baggie, you can just open it up. I'm going to lay everything out and I'll be back in a second. Hi everyone, a quick sneak peek of a pendant project that I'm working on here. I have a little earring project going on up here. So, I mean, I just love this box so much. This collection is gorgeous. So if you are interested, make sure that you do go and grab it before they sell out, okay? All right, let's take a look. Okay, so here is everything in this collection, and the colors on this collection are just beautiful. Okay, so first up here we have a Miyuki bead assortment. You get 20 grams, which is like a huge amount. It's a big bag. So I poured some out so we can take a look at what's inside. So you have these very pretty teal iridescent bugles. You've got these very pretty pink 8/0s. And then different 11/0s. So there's purple ones, there's white ones, and pink ones. These pink ones here, kind of rose colored ones. And then these little tiny green ones, and there are a couple of little tiny white ones the same color as the 11/0 that are the 15/0s. So that's what you're getting in that mix. So pretty. I love the colors. It's just like mermaid. Lovely. Okay, so then we are also getting some Toho treasures, and these are gorgeous. These are called Silver-Lined Luster Gray, and they are just so gorgeous. I love them. So Toho treasures are kind of the Toho equivalent of Miyuki Delicas. They are cylinder beads, and so they're really good for, you know, bezels or any kind of peyote stitch projects. But this color is so pretty. I love it. Alrighty, then we have here some fire polish, check 6mm. Gorgeous. Look at them. They're so pretty. This color, this lavender color with the AB. I mean, I love it. Okay, coated lavender AB. You get a strand of 25. I mean, I love these. I love them. They're so pretty. Okay, and then we also get here some check drooks, which are, you know, they're just rounds, check rounds, also known as check drooks. These are Rosaline AB. So they're very pale pink color. It barely shows up, but nice 3mm rounds. Pretty. And it's quite a long strand as well. A strand of 100, it says. Okay, these I absolutely love. These are so cool. These are also check drooks. They are 8mm, but they actually look like bubbles, which is so fun. So you just get a little amount of those. You get 10, but isn't that fun? So when they say it's a bubblescence, you know, here's the bubbles, right? Okay. Oops. So super fun there. Okay, these also are very cool. These are some super duos. Most of you know what they are. They are Jet Full Apricot, but look at the color on here. I hope you can see. It's got this very pretty rainbow color. They don't look black. They're coated. Okay, so it looks more like a gunmetal with a rainbow finish on it. They're super pretty. That's why I poured them out, because you can't really see it in the bottle, but they're really gorgeous. Okay. Okay, next here we have these are 2-hole waves. These are check glass beads, 3x7, tropical blue grape. And you'll see, so they kind of are like this mermaidy blue-green color, but then if you're looking at them from a certain angle, they turn purple. So very cool iridescent effect on these. And the top of them just has, because you won't be probably looking at that side. Let me see if I can turn one sideways. It looks like a little kind of S shape. I know that's really hard to see, but that's what they look like on the side. Kind of just try and show you that one maybe. Kind of an S, it forms an S shape, but such a cool color, this kind of purple turquoise color. Love it, very magical. Okay, so then let's move on to our crystals. So we're getting Chatons, so 2 of each. We're getting light sapphire AB glitter. We're getting a light rose AB glitter, aquamarine AB glitter, and lavender. And so the glitter is actually like on the backing, so it's kind of hard for the camera to pick it up, but it is in there. It makes it kind of iridescent. I don't know if that's picking it up at all, but I'll show you all the 4 colors together so you can see. So you're getting 2 of each. Okay, aren't those pretty? So cute. All right, and these are like, wow, these are absolutely stunning. 12 millimeter Krakowski Crystal Rivolis in aquamarine transmission. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? That's basically exactly like the colors on their photo. I mean, that is such a cool finish. I absolutely love it. So pretty. And so you're getting 2 of the 12 millimeter and 2 16 millimeter in the same aquamarine transmission colorway. Like, so pretty. I absolutely love these. They are absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so you're getting a lot of crystals here, and we're also getting the Chinese crystal rondelles 3x2 in this very pretty blue with a little bit of this metallic on it. This is the blue iris mix. So pretty. Absolutely love those. I mean, you know, I like using these little 2x3 rondelles. They're fun to use, and you get a lot on a strand as well. The strands are really long, so you do get a lot. Okay. You are also getting here some Preciosa crystal rondelles, crystal bicones. These are 4 millimeter and just the crystal AB finish. So you get a pack of 40 of those. Always useful. I mean, actually, I just designed some snowflakes, and a couple weeks ago, these would work for those if you're doing your Christmas makes. Okay, so that's all of the crystal, and now we're going to move on to the findings. So first of all, we get this really pretty toggle clasp. The jump ring is just to keep it together. You'll take that off. But so this is a Baroque oval with a white gold plating. So like clean and bright colored. Really cool, unique finding there. Absolutely love that. So you get that. You also get a pair of ball stud earrings with a loop down below, so you can hang things off of it. And again, in the white gold plating. These are really nice quality findings. That's one thing I really love about Eureka. Their findings are so nice. Okay, and then these are cool as well. These are just connectors. So you can see they have 2 little loops at the end. Just kind of fun little connectors. Irregular Baroque connector. So this wavy pattern is kind of like a Baroque pearl. Okay, so they're calling it a Baroque connector. And again, in that white gold plating. And you get 2 of those. So really love the colors. This is kind of not what I expected, actually. I didn't know what I expected from the title, but I really love these colorway, this kind of teals and purples, and that's all my favorite colors right here. So I love it, and I cannot wait to design something with these. So I will be making 2 projects using this selection of products during the month. So check back, see what I make with it. I'll do tutorials for those. And I think this one is going to go really quickly because of the gorgeous colors and these beautiful crystals, I really don't think this one's going to be around for very long. So if you want to order this, I would order it now. So I'll put a link down below for you for that. And do remember to check in the description as well, in case there are any discount codes that they give me before this goes out. Okay. All right, guys, I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.